Hi, I am Peter Wells. I'm the Head of Policy at the Open Data Institute.
What is the Open Data Institute?
We're a not-for-profit. We've just hit our 5th birthday. So we were founded 5 years ago by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the web, and Nigel Shadbolt, an artificial intelligence pioneer. Our mission is to connect, enable and inspire people around the world to innovate with data, to get knowledge to everyone. So we have nodes in about 26 cities in 19 countries around the world, all working to bring openness and open culture and data to help solve problems.
How do you do that?
We do that a whole range of ways. So we have a team working on policy, giving advice there. We have a team working with startups and incubators. So we're incubating startups in Europe, Malaysia, Mexico. We have a technology team developing tools and software and releasing them under an open license so anyone can use them and make them better. We have a team as well working on engaging our network, working with that, and a team working on communicating what we learn and learning from those communications and making that a two-way process.
During those 5 years since ODI was started, what are the most interesting things that you have achieved or done?
Lots of interesting things. I think one of the most high profile, I suppose, impactful projects was working with a team in Burkina Faso to help run an election there using open data to communicate the results, to help create a culture of trust and safety around that election. Or working with the agricultural sector, big corporates in the agricultural sector and small startups to get data about farming and land more open in multiple places around the world. Or working in the UK with the retail banking and sports sectors to actually build what we call data infrastructure, which can be used to solve problems, whether it be to improve banking and build better services, or in the sports sector to help people get more physically active, so we have a healthier society.
If we look ahead, during the next 5 years, what do you hope will happen?
I hope a few things in the next 5 years. I hope one thing is we'll start to get more people realising that the analogy of data as oil is actually quite harmful. It's making people think of data as a precious asset that they need to hold on to, rather than actually data being an infrastructural resource we need to make as accessible as possible and manage for the good of society. I'd hope we take that to more countries and more continents. And I hope we open up some of those sectors and actually show the impact in those sectors. So there's lots of startups, there's lots of activity, but showing that changing and improving people's lives, giving economic value and social value.
It sounds great. Anything else you look forward to?
I'm looking forward to learning from more countries and what's happening in other contexts. So I'm based in the north of England in Newcastle, so I learn things from that context. I'm always looking to learn from other people to get them part of the network and get us all sharing information and sharing knowledge with each other. That's how we can accelerate our pace.